Hello everybody. Hey, I've just finished this pair of peacocks and they're pretty spectacular, I think you'll agree. They're actually different, and let's explain what's different about them. So if we look at this one, the tail feathers are all next to each other, the colours are all next to each other on the colour wheel, making it analogous and indeed harmonious. Whereas if we look at this one, so I'm holding, you can see that we've got orange, lime green, which is quite shocking, just the two of those together, with a blue. So they form an equilateral triangle on the colour wheel. They're triadic. That's much harder to pull off, but I think I've managed it. And this is why I like making peacocks. I've made more than 300 of them, because it's not really about the peacock. There's so much you can do and play with that it'll still look like a peacock. What they're about is what we've been talking about, which is the colour combinations. Okay, well, in any case, here we are. Here are my pair of Persian peacocks.